Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Dean Callan Show. Today, I'm joined by Roberta, the global brand ambassador for Martini. And I have just completed 240 kilometers of hardcore cycling with Belgian people and everything. It was for charity, a little bit for myself because I lost 8 kilos, got fitter, felt healthier. I feel a sense of accomplishment drinking this. But Roberta, could you explain to everyone what La Classica actually is?
Yeah, I think you already explained it quite quickly. Is basically a ride, is a way to challenge yourself, challenge your limits, and also trying to raise money for a charity. So you're helping yourself and then you're helping other people. La Classica is part of the Ciclismo program, it's part of the Martini Racing, is a new program that we launched in 2018 and is all about the well-being and be healthy. We're trying to get to show bartenders there are different things that you can do on your Sundays or during the weekend instead just of drinking and eating.
For bonding?
Bonding, and I'm really glad that what we were able to put together, thanks to the help of a lot of people like Dean, team from Healthy Hospo, they've been great supporters of this event. What we did, as Dean said, we ride 240 kilometers all together. We had pain, we failed. I did twice. But the end is like everybody they're riding together, everybody they're really bonding. They got an experience of a lifetime, and you know there is no better place to end the Classica in Casa Martini.
There is no better place. Cheers to that.
Never tastes so good.
The sauce tastes better at the source.
No, you sir.
Guys, thank you very much. Thank you for all my teammates. Because I know the road was hard, but I have confidence in your event. I had reason. It was a pleasure for me. Thank you.
Legs are tired.